In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Microsoft Loop. So Microsoft Loop is actually a new application created by Microsoft that serves as kind of an alternative for Notion. It can help track the workspace collaboration between your team as well as share documents on the particular workspace. Now, if you want to get started with this, click on this Get Started option in order to sign up for an account. So this is only applicable if you do not have a Microsoft account, because if you already have it, you can just proceed to click on the sign in option that we have right here. So let's proceed to sign in. Here's right here my actual loop. So from in there, you can find it right there. So if you want to actually create it and get started with it, you can see in here that we already have this new page that we have created. So in order to navigate this, you can just click on this create new page option in order to create a new one. It will create an untitled page. You can head over and add your own icon for this. You can choose from particular emojis added. So you can just choose from these symbols that we have right there. I'll head over and choose right here this particular symbol. And then enter it here the title of the page. For example, let's name this database. Click onto this add cover, and you can add specific covers from abstracts, landscape, as well as uploading some things right there. I'll head over and choose this and click on add, and it will be added. Now just start typing in order to add it on your database. When you hover to this, you can see that we have this plus icon, so you can click onto this right here in order to insert some things like subpages, tables, checklists, bulleted, callouts, code, mermaid, as well as a lot more textiles, communication, apps, and other applications that you can actually insert. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.